Good morning class and welcome to your grammar class where we are reading, learning and understanding tenses from many days. We have completed present tense completely, present simple continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Past was completed up to 2 subtenses, that was past simple and past continuous. Okay. Now today we will see past perfect. Before starting these, students, let me tell you that you have to subscribe subscribe by hitting the icons, that bell icon, so that you could get that premier timer you should have, so that you could have good and smooth classes and you could know the time and class, that time if you are knowing, then it will be clear for you, and for that you have to subscribe. Okay, so let's turn towards the past perfect tense. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस मतलब वो टेंस है जब भूतकाल में कोई घटना पूर्णतया घटित हो चुकी थी। मतलब अगर आप इसको बोलना चाहते हैं कि इन दिस टेंस वी वांट टू से इन हिंदी दैट कुछ काम हम कर चुके थे या कुछ काम हो चुका था, मतलब एनी वर्क वाज कंप्लीटली डन। ओके, सो व्हाट आर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स हियर? Helping verbs are helping verb is actually there is only one helping verb, and that is helping verb is had, and had is used with all, means it is with he, it is with she, it, they, I, we, and you. With this, had is used with he, she, it, they, I, we, and you. Okay, so you have to remember that in past perfect tense we will use helping verb had with all persons. It may be singular, it may be plural, it may be first person, it may be second person, it may be third person. Okay, so what do when we start to study tense? We see to write. We firstly take rule number 1. What is rule number 1 then? It is of making positive sentence. Then we write the formula. Okay? जब भी हम टेंस की शुरुआत करते हैं, हम पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को बनाते हैं, उसका फॉर्मूला लिखते हैं. What is the formula for these students? The formula is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Okay students, मतलब subject plus had plus V3 plus object. इसको ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं आप, subject plus HP मतलब helping verb plus verb का third form plus object. वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म आपको पता है, V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, so V1 is, suppose you are taking teach, then second is taught, third is also taught, and fourth is teaching. Okay students, so रूल नंबर 1 मतलब पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए आपको सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेड प्लस V3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. नाउ राइट एग्जांपल. if I write an example for myself, so I will write like this: I have taught tenses. आपको अपने लिए बनाना है, then you can write like that: I have learnt tenses. Okay. Second, sorry, it is not have, it is had. Had. That had is a present perfect tense. Okay. I had taught tenses. मैंने tenses पढ़ा लिया था, या मैं tenses पढ़ा चुकी थी. My friend had wished me. My friend had wished me. मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे विश कर चुका था, मुझे शुभकामनाएं दे दी थी. और Soham had watered the plants. Okay, and fourth one is they had seen a movie. They had seen a movie. उन्होंने मूवी देखी थी. So understood students? यहाँ पर आप subject plus had plus will be plus object को अप्लाई कर रहे हैं इन सारे सेंटेंसेस में. I subject had, helping verb taught verb का थर्ड फॉर्म, and this object. My friend subject है, ये है थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, इसके साथ भी had ही लग रहा है, ये वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म है, ऑब्जेक्ट. सोहम थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, हेल्पिंग वर्ब had watered the plants, V3 plus object. They is first person plural, third person plural. Here also we have applied had, verb's third form and object. मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है कि पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में आपको सारे पर्सन्स के लिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड ही यूज करना है ना. कितना आसान. इट इज सो इजी टू रिमेंबर दैट विथ ऑल पर्सन्स यू हैव टू अप्लाई ओनली हैड एंड वर्ब्स थर्ड फॉर्म. सो इट इज वेरी इजी टू मेक सेंटेंस इन पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. सो यू नोट डाउन दिस. Now we will learn to make a negative sentence in past perfect tense. Then how to make that we call rule number 2 means, and the formula is subject plus had plus not plus V3 plus object. There is not much difference between the structure of positive sentence and negative sentence. Only you have to remember that we have to apply not with helping verb. Okay students? So subject plus had plus not plus V3 plus object. Let's see the examples. First is शुभ hadn't, hadn't we can write in short form also, or had not also. Shubh had not called me. Shubh had not called me. Shubh had not called me. Okay, शुभ ने मुझे कॉल नहीं किया था. Then second, I hadn't gone to my granny's home. I hadn't gone to my granny's home. मैं अपनी ग्रैंडमदर के घर नहीं गया था. थर्ड, Shruti had not come to my home to take books. Shruti had not come to my home to take books. श्रुति मेरे घर नहीं आई थी बुक्स लेने के लिए. Fourth, the rain had not stopped. The rain had not stopped immediately. The rain had not stopped immediately. मतलब बारिश जल्दी नहीं रुकी थी. Okay, so देखिए, this is also very easy to make. How to make means we have learned how to make negative sentence in past perfect tense. शुभ had not called me. शुभ ने मुझे कॉल नहीं किया. I hadn't gone to my granny's home. मैं अपने ग्रैनी के घर नहीं गया था. Granny means grandmother. Shruti had not come to my home to take books. श्रुति बुक्स लेने मेरे घर नहीं आई थी. The rain had not stopped immediately. मतलब बारिश जल्दी नहीं रुकी थी. So see this and write this and repeatedly see this if you have any confusion. Okay, students. तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को सब्सक्राइब करना है क्लासेस को, जिससे कि आपको क्लासेस का समय, क्लासेस स्मूथली मिले और स्टडी बहुत अच्छे से हो. इसके लिए आपको हिट करना है बेल आइकन को. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी रूल नंबर 3, दैट इज इंट्रोगेटिव. Now how to make interrogative? It is same like all other tenses that we did earlier. Okay? Interrogative में आपको helping verb पहले लिखना है, then subject लिखना है, then verb का third form लिखना है, then object लिखना है. So here I write the formula: had plus subject plus V3 plus object plus question mark. Okay, now let's see an example. First example, had you gone to Pune? क्या तुम पुणे गए थे? Second, had they arrived मतलब आगमन होना, arrived punctually. क्या वो सही समय पर आए थे? थर्ड, had the students studied well? Had the students studied well? And number 4, had she performed well? Okay, so these are the examples of rule number 3, making an interrogative sentence, where you have to apply the formula. Then firstly you have to write helping verb, then subject, then verb start form, then object, then question mark. Don't forget to put question mark at the last. Start from helping verb, use with any kind of personal, and then use that subject, then verb start form, then object. Okay students, so had you gone to Pune, had they arrived punctually, had the students studied well, had she performed well, or any other various examples you can make. I said that you have to work maximum for acquiring good knowledge of tenses, for being that means for being a very regular and good student, you must do regular study. Okay, तो रेगुलरली आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स बनाकर देखने पड़ेंगे, तब आपको टेंसेस में कोई डिफिकल्टी नहीं रहेगी. और मुझे तो लगता है कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स का ये ऑलरेडी बहुत क्लियर है, और अभी ये रिपीटेडली हो रहा है तो उनके डाउट्स भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्लियर हो रहे हैं. इवन देन इफ देयर इज डाउट, देयर आर डाउट्स ऑफ योर्स, यू कैन कॉल मी ऑन माय पर्सनल नंबर, आई विल रिस्पॉन्स यू. ओके, सो राइट दिस एग्जांपल्स एंड आफ्टर दिस वी विल राइट द होमवर्क. Write homework, make sentences in past perfect tense.